Do you looking for the answer that who can start knowledge business, or are you fit to start knowledge business? Then this video is for you. In this video I will cover 6 desires. If you are having any one of them or all of them, then you are fit to start knowledge business. Be till last of this video, and I am giving you the way. Ask any questions and get answer to that. So let's start this video. Hi, my name is RC Pikade and welcome to my channel. Before answering who can start knowledge business, I should answer one more question. That is it easy to start knowledge business? No. Starting knowledge business is not an easy task. It is not an overnight game. It is simple to develop knowledge business if you follow the system, because people fails, system works. And if you follow one mentor, you will be able to get results very fast. And I recommend you to follow one mentor only and the one system. Though it is not easy, but it is simple. Anyone can develop it. Any people having desires, among these I will telling you the 6 desires in this video. So if you having any one of that desire, then you are damn fit to start knowledge business, and it is simple, not an complex task. So let's see what are the 6 desires, and please take notes. And if you found yourself eligible to start knowledge business, comment below that I am eligible and I am going to start my knowledge business. So let's see what are the 6 desires. The number 1 desire is, if you are having the desire to helping others, if you want to help others, then the knowledge business is the right business for you. In knowledge business, while sharing your knowledge, helping people and getting them results, that is the best ever feeling of world. Because when you help someone and that person gets results, you will feel accomplished. You will have the feeling of fulfillment. So if you want to achieve that fulfillment feeling by helping others, then this is the right business for you. Number 2 desire is, if you want time freedom. In most of the businesses, you have to give so much of your time, that is more than a job. But in the knowledge business, it is not there. Though in the starting, you have to put some extra effort and you have to invest some extra time. But as soon as you will reach in your MSI ecosystem running state, you will not require to put so much of your time. You can work 4 days a week, and by working 4 days a week, you can run your knowledge business very well, and you have the time freedom to spend with your family, to spend with your friends, and accomplish your other side desires also, like some society work, whatever you want to do. So this is the number 2 desire. Number 3 desire is, work from your comfort. If you want to work from your comfort, like right now I am making this video at my home, at my comfortable time, and I can roll out it anytime, and I can do live webinars from my home. I can do classes from my home. So if you want to work online and achieve results fast, then the knowledge business is the right business for you. Though there are too many ways to work online from home, but this is the business where you will get results faster than any method. Number 4 desire is financial abundance. Who don't want financial abundance? Most of us want financial abundance. So if you want to create financial abundance for yourself, you are damn fit to start knowledge business. And you should start knowledge business. In this, once you have created your products, I mean digital products, then you need not to invest again and again. And the recurring investment is very low in the knowledge business. In the starting, you have to invest some money, but the recurring investment is very low, so you can take extra profits. Your profit line or your bottom line will be more than other businesses. And number 5 desire is impact. In other businesses, if you want to create impact, you have to go for some extra social works. You have to go for some extra curriculum activities. But knowledge business itself is an extra curriculum activity. And by doing knowledge business, you can create impact very easily, because you are transforming other people's life, you are helping them to achieve something, and that's enough to create impact. So if you are having the desire to create impact, let me know, do you having desire to create impact? Please comment below impact and let me know that you having the desire to create impact. Number 6 is transformation. This is the ultimate of knowledge business. While developing your knowledge business, you will be able to transform yourself. In the process of developing knowledge business, you will transform yourself and you will feel fulfilled. And once you are able to transform yourself, you can transform other people's life also. I like the transformation part of knowledge business very much. And if you have taken notes, that is good. And if you have not taken notes, you can take a screenshot now, so you can refer whenever you have to check eligibility for yourself. So these are the 6 desires. If you get answer to your question, who can start knowledge business, or am I fit to start knowledge business, that's good. Or if you are having any other questions, then let me tell you the way to ask that question. The number way to ask that question is ask in comment below. I will answer all of your questions. Any questions regarding knowledge business, ask in comment below and I will answer you. And number 2 way is ask in community group. You will find the way to join the Telegram group and the Facebook group of Youth Info Hub, the community of knowledge givers. Join that community and you can ask any question in Facebook group. And number 3 way to ask questions or get clarity on knowledge business, you can book clarity session with me. For booking clarity session, download the MSI guide. You will find the link in the description of this video and go through that MSI guide. You will be able to discover so many things, how it's work and what it required to develop that MSI ecosystem. And at the last page of the MSI guide, you will find a link to book clarity session with me. Book that clarity session and I will try to answer all of your questions and will give you clarity. Thanks for watching this video. Please do share this video with relevant people and like if you found this video useful. And let me ask one question to you also. Are you fit to start knowledge business? Comment below. Yes, I am fit. Then let's do it together. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.